Picture this, your team's on the road, heading to a care home or running a mobile clinic, then something goes wrong. The ramp won't deploy or the HVAC stops working. You got appointments lined up and your vehicle is out of commission. It's frustrating that it throws off your entire day, but worst of all, it puts real people at risk of missing the care that they need. They can shut down your operations for days or even weeks on end. You don't want to be scrambling for a repair shop or figuring out costs on the fly. But what if this could have all been avoided with some simple maintenance? That's why we created the Prepaid Maintenance Program. If you buy a vehicle from MoveMobility, this is a simple way to keep it going without any extra stress. It was designed specifically for buyers in the GTA and surrounding regions. It fits right into your day-to-day without causing disruption. This program is straightforward. Our certified techs either come to you or you can bring your vehicle into our location in Mississauga. You get 2 scheduled visits every year. During each visit, we do your semi-annual ramp or lift inspection. We check your lights, your HVAC, and all your safety equipment. The standard maintenance and checks are all included. If our technician finds any parts that require repair or replacement, we'll discuss our options from there. If your vehicle is still under manufacturer's warranty, some of the parts might be covered. After every visit, you'll get a detailed condition report. The price stays the same whether you're in Barrie, Oshawa, or anywhere within 2 hours of the GTA. If you're leasing or financing your new vehicle with MoveMobility, the cost can roll right into the purchase price. This means no separate invoices or maintenance expenses later. You're setting yourself up with a predictable fixed cost. This will protect your schedule and your vehicle. Now, what if you need service more often? You can book up to 4 times a year if needed. Semi-annual inspections are proactively booked by our team, but you can bring your vehicle in every 3 months. Or what if you relocate? As long as you're relocating within the original service area, there's no change. If you're relocating further away, then additional travel fees may apply. Whether you're running a mobile clinic or transporting people with accessibility needs, your vehicle is a critical part of your work. The Prepaid Maintenance Program helps you keep it reliable and road ready. If you're getting ready to budget for a new vehicle, adding this is a smart way to avoid problems later. If you have any questions about it, please reach out. We're always here to help.